Hey guys, Mama Duck here. I've got a package. It's kind of big. It's good. So let's open it. Let's open it, guys. Many lots of tape. So I'm actually gonna try without stabbing yourself. I hate packages. They're so hard to open. Oh, hang on. I'll show you like me struggling a tiny bit, and I'll open it most of it. There you go, perfect. And then, sorry guys, it might be a bit loud. Hold on. Oh gosh, do not fall, guys. That would be sad. That would suck. Hold on, guys. I'll come back. I'm open, guys. It's open. Let's just see. Ooh, hold on, y'all can't see. Hold on, guys. You guys can't see. 2 seconds. I'm gonna try it like this way. Oh, stop! My boyfriend loves Moomin, and look, I finally got a Moomin outfit. Stop! Look at the pants, guys. You can't see, but like it's Moomin and like smoke. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Stop! Look, Simba. Oh my goodness! Look how cute that coat is. Ma, look. It's a Simba coat. Oh, hang on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the babies and do that. Guys, look. Your precious bundle has been wrapped with love. It's a girl. One is a boy. They are Mes Manuelas. One. I don't think I have a chase. No, I do not. But we don't mind. I'm gonna move. Oh my god, I knocked everything down. You can go over there. Down there. And we'll actually open the box, like the actual babies, guys. I'm so excited. Ready? Here's this one. They're covered in blankets, which is okay. So let's do it. Right, we have this one. I think the head's... Oh, it's nappied. Okay, the head is nappied. Look how cute. Look how big she is. Oh my goodness, you're huge. You was huge. Little hands. I think I know who it is. I think I know who you are. Baby. 3. 2. It is! I knew it! It's the chase kit, which you can't see. 2 seconds ago. Let me take the nappy off. There you are! He's so big. He's gonna be a boy. You're so big, baby. And let's do your sister. And we're going to this one. Oh my goodness. Obviously, I'll show you guys properly. Someone's little mouth. Someone's little mouth is coming out. There you are, baby. There she is, guys. Oh my goodness, she's beautiful. Look how cute she is, guys. I love her. That was my box opening. I'm gonna show the actual babies. This is the girls. This is Manuela's arms. There they are. You can't really see because the camera. It's really miserable and stuff outside. Look at her little leg and lips and just everything. There's little leggies. She's very cute. She's very cute, guys. I just like her. And that's due for baby boy. Bigger. He's a little bigger than I was expecting, but look at him. This is his little arm. And his little hand. You can't really see that. He looks better in person, I swear. He's very cute. And then And his little legs. And those feeties. That one. And that one. He's very cute. He's a chunky boy.